Hi friends, today we are going to make Kanda Poha. First start off with the ingredients. First we will take 1.5 tablespoon of vegetable oil, 4 medium sized onion finely chopped, 1 big potato finely chopped, half cup of peanuts fried, 1 teaspoon of chana dal, 1 teaspoon of urad dal, 1 teaspoon of jeera, 1 teaspoon of rye, 4 to 5 garlic cloves finely chopped, 1 cup of coriander leaves finely chopped, 1 big lemon, few curry leaves finely chopped, 2 green chili finely chopped, salt for taste, turmeric powder, and 500 grams of thick poha. Now we will start to make poha. First we will put oil into a pan. Heat oil, add cumin seeds, mustard seeds, urad dal, chana dal, and finely chopped garlic. Then put curry leaves, finely chopped green chilies, and let them flutter. Now put 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt to taste, and then add onion. Let it cook till onions are transparent. Now onions are cooked. We will add potato. Mix potatoes. Then close the lid and wait till the potatoes are cooked well and roasted. Now the potatoes are cooked. We will put peanuts and poha. First add peanuts. For adding poha, take a vessel with water, put poha, let it drench completely, strain the water and add to pan. Now mix it. Now close the lid and wait for few minutes. Now our poha is ready. We will add lemon juice and coriander leaves for garnishing.